Okay, little one for Simon and Finny. Finny, I'm going to kick you right to the Shire as soon as you said challenge. Bloody hell. Anyway, Joanne's asleep. It's 20 past 11 at night. You saw me trade CPI and sort of cable earlier on today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick this over and I'm going to show you how to scalp an Asian market. Now, I'm not going to go mad. Maybe it's 25 quid, something like that, just to keep it going. So there's nothing running, no orders in, and that's what you saw me do earlier on. Okay. First thing, pick the market. So what have we got? Well, we know that's a good market. This one. How good is it? Pull it out of the hour and have a look. Colossal drive up. Consolidation. That's a good indication that there's a fib on the horizon. Aussie dollar. Same situation. What else have we got? Aussie JPY. Big drive. Looking good. Okay, so even just flicking through a couple of markets, you can find some good opportunities. So let's have a look at this one for now, and possibly that one. I'm going to look at this one first. Okay, I want nothing on it. I want to do it from a clean chart. Let me just pull this down a second because I'm going to show you it without my sort of tools. Trading stock screener. Get rid of that. I want Forex. Oops. There we go. Right. Where's the US? So US is at the lower end. Japs high and the Aussies higher. Okay. Not anything predominantly green. It's kind of middle ground. So, okay. So it's pure chart reading what we're looking at. Set some boundaries. Okay. Well, straight away we can see a ceiling, which is about there. Okay. Just drop that in. We can see a floor, which is here. Right. So if that's come up, we need to find an order block. Now, an order block can be this, or it can be that. Okay, so I'm going to look at that. So it's in the area of attraction, just like so. Okay, so I don't really want it to come out of that block. I want it to come down. Where do I want it to go? Let's get some fibs, get some markers onto this, just like so. Right. There's some good attraction points. There's one there. Boom. What else have we got? Got another one underneath it. And another one there. So there's an order block with some points of attraction for a break. Take it to a 15 minute. Let's have a look. Yeah. You can see that's starting to creep in, starting to fail. Look at a 5. Definitely, that looks nice. All right, let's see if we're going to go to the upside or the downside. Get a Bollinger Band on. Just get rid of that. Pull this down. Right. So that's collapsing in, showing that volume slowed down. That's still pushing up, but this is coming down. There's a divergence there, higher high, or a high and a lower high. So there's a divergence going that way. So this to me looks like it might be moving down. So let's see what the 15 minute has to say. Well, it broke the moving average, still pushing down. You can see that. Let's take it down that little bit further. and sure enough, still pushing down. There. So we're going to put an order underneath that and grab, I don't know, 5 pips, something like that. Let's have a quick look, see where we are. Do we think it's good to go? Could even take it down into a minute chart. It's not really my ideal thing, but yeah, looks pretty good. So we're just going to drop a quick order in there, 10 pips, kaboom. Okay, let's just alter that slightly. That wants to be about there. Give that an opportunity to trigger. I'm going to move that back to 5 minutes. There we are, it's triggered in. Okay, that's 10 points. That would be about 20. All right, so that's that. What else do we looking at? Aussie dollar. That one flashed up quite nice. So a little look at this bad boy. Again, clean chart, want nothing on it. Don't want to show my indicators out to the hour, so I can see what's been going on because of today's news. Well, wallopy, strong drive up. Now it's starting to collapse, so it looks like it's floored out here. Out there. Just like so. And that's a decent floor to the bottom. Just there. So we've got a trading arena to work in. Fib, which is kind of from there to there. What have we got? Yep, it's on the 23, so I'm quite happy with that. So we'll see what's on the 15. Okay, failure coming down. If there's an order block here, it's a difficult one because there isn't a strong drive. I would say it's there, so it's actually already underneath it, so there's no point drawing it in. 5, that looks like it's coming into motion now. Okay, so let's get some order points into this. Again, I'm going to use a fib from there to there. We break in the 23 on this one, so just put that there, just like so. Next one in, just like so. Next one in, just like so, down to the 50. Okay, let's get some indicators on so I can see what's happening. Broke the top, hasn't broke the bottom, been back. It's hovering on here, pushing down on that. It's happening on the 15 minute. It's struggling on the moving average, but it is moving down. And you can see divergence coming in. In other words, these are progressively getting lower, whereas that's trying to push up, but it's also failing. So that's there. Take it to 5 minutes, just like so. Looks like it's on a half decent move. Let's have a look. So I'm going to drop an order on that one as well. Just like so. Give that one 10 pips. And bang. Move that back up to. That's it. There we go. And even if I looked at this on a 1 minute, just so we can see, there's the drive. 10 minutes in, yeah, it should be all right. How are we doing with the other side? Well, we're at 30 quid already with that one. Pushing down just nice. This becomes a bit of a worry, but a way around that is step that out to a 15 minute. Take off the Bollinger Band, don't really need that anymore. And what we're going to do is we're going to target that just above there slightly. Very, very simple. So that's 35, 36 quid. Let's just have a little look at these at the same time. Just like so. There. Drag that across. Oops. Close that off. So me over that. Okay, get that back to 5 minutes. Get rid of them. Right. Okay, let's have a wee look. Pull that down. Is that ready to pop again? Let me just jump that back to sell order to the edge of there, back onto there, just drop that in, just like so. Don't particularly want that to go further. This one, I'm going to edge up under there. I want that to get to maybe that line. Just like so. It's starting to run away. Not that it matters. That's it. Job done. Already got money out of it. There you are. There's 20 quid, which is fine. The other side, not really playing ball too much. Not too fussed about that. Just push that to there. Just gives that a little bit extra under that. Do you think that's going to pop? Tell you what, I'm going to sandwich JPY because I think that's going to pop. It has. So close the other order off. We're going to drop that down into there just to finish that off, just like so. So what we've done here is a sandwich to see if it was going to squeeze up or push down. Start to push down, pick the bottom order up. That one's running away. This is one of the beauties of letting trades come to you. It means that if it does run, you're not taken with it. So that's a good thing. Now if we look at this minute by minute, up, 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 coming down, you can start keeping that under there. Not a lover a minute chart, but I don't mind it in the Asian session, simply because it runs that slow that you can kind of see what's going on, get a quick motion. Right, that's in. Okay, so what we're going to do with this is kind of put it at the base of here somewhere. It's not going to be a big trade, this, if any sort of trade, but we'll manage that as we go. So I'll just put that there up to the top. Okay, put that down, put that back out to 15 minutes so I can keep an eye on it. Right, don't really want it to breach the top, so we can put maybe another order on the top of here, let it come up, pick up, and then come back down through. That will be quite acceptable. So we'll do that now, just while we're looking. Put that back down onto there. Get that. Okay. That one's starting to play a ball. Goody gumdrops. Just move that onto there. Just like so. happy days. All right, I'll let this play out for a couple of minutes, and that's that. Okay guys, it's coming on to midnight. I'm going to call this a night. I'm just going to let this run into profit just a little bit, and then I'm going to kill it out. Looking to see if I can get it up to about a tenner. There we go, that'll do. Right, so we're done. So I was right to pull that out when I did. It is coming back now. I could go back into market and then run that down there, or I can continue with this and run it down, but I want to go to bed because I'm knackered. I've got to be up in a few hours and I've got a load of meetings to do tomorrow. But I was probably right to pull it out anyway, because we're sitting now on the open, which is coming in, and I don't like to trade the open, so I was right to get out. And nothing's running, no orders. Oh shit, I better get rid of that. Oh, because that's something you don't want to be doing, getting caught on one of them, because they're naughty. They're really naughty. And happy days, and it has paid me. There you go. There's a few scalps. So there's the US down into the Aussie, and then the other scalps coming out. Now, funny enough, if I'd left the Aussie, if that's screaming up, there's a high probability that's screaming down, and it is, and it's stalled bang on where I'm marked out. Simple stuff, guys, simple stuff. So there you go, boys. What I was essentially doing was quickly showing you how to mark a quick trade arena using an hourly chart. Take a basic scalp sort of bias from it. You're not looking for mega amounts of pips, sort of 5-10 pips at best, and then just use basic tools, which is a strong drive, a fib, and the RSI to pull it back. And what you were looking for in the RSI was the high point to be gradually getting lower while it's in a stall point. Hope that helps. Catch us all soon.